Today we're going to break down some of the most fundamental tools, from classic hand tools to modern power tools, that every woodworker should know. Let's dive in. First up is the hand plane. This tool is your secret to a perfectly flat and smooth surface. By shaving off thin layers of wood, a hand plane can flatten a rough board, reduce its thickness, or create a glass-like finish without the need for sanding. It's a true classic for a reason. Next, we have the chisel. This simple-looking tool is a must-have for cutting or carving wood. Whether you're cleaning up a joint or creating a decorative recess, a sharp chisel gives you incredible control and precision. You use it with a mallet to carve away wood exactly where you need to. When it comes to making cuts, the handsaw is where it all started. It's a foundational tool for a reason. Whether you're making quick cuts in the shop or working on site without power, a good handsaw is reliable and versatile. Here's a tool you can't have too many of: clamps. These are the unsung heroes of the workshop. They hold your pieces together firmly during glue-ups, keep your work stable while you're cutting or drilling, and ensure your joints are tight and strong. A project is only as good as its clamps. Accuracy is everything in woodworking, which is why a square is essential. This tool is used to make and verify 90-degree angles. From checking a cabinet corner to making sure your saw blade is perfectly straight, a square ensures your work is precise. The marking gauge is another great tool for accuracy. It's used to scribe a line a set distance from the edge of a piece of wood. This is perfect for marking joinery lines or for ensuring a consistent cut line across a board. Now for a modern staple, the drill/driver. This is your all-in-one for making holes and driving screws. Whether you're assembling a cabinet or pre-drilling holes to prevent wood from splitting, a good drill is a true workhorse for any project. When it comes to quick and strong joinery, the biscuit joiner is a fantastic tool. It cuts a small slot in two pieces of wood, which you then fill with glue and a compressed wooden biscuit. The biscuit expands and creates a powerful and perfectly aligned joint. For marking curves and transferring measurements, you need a scribe or a compass. This is a simple but incredibly useful tool for anything that isn't a straight line, from drawing perfect circles to fitting a board against an irregular wall. Block plane. This is a small one-handed version of a hand plane, designed for more delicate work. It's perfect for quickly smoothing the end grain of a board, chamfering, beveling an edge, or fine-tuning a joint for a perfect fit. Its compact size gives you excellent control. Japanese pull saw. Unlike a traditional Western handsaw that cuts on the push stroke, this saw is designed to cut as you pull it toward you. Its thin, flexible blade and sharp teeth create a very narrow cut, called the kerf, allowing for incredibly precise and clean cuts, especially useful for delicate joinery. Combination square. This tool is far more versatile than a standard fixed square. It consists of a ruler and a sliding head that can be used to mark and verify both 90-degree and 45-degree angles. You can also use it to measure and mark depth. Rasp. A rasp is a hand tool used for shaping wood. It looks like a file but has individual raised teeth that are designed to quickly remove material. It's an excellent tool for shaping curves, rounding edges, or smoothing a rough carved surface before you move on to finer tools. Bench vise. This is a powerful fixed clamp that is bolted to the edge of a workbench. Its purpose is to hold a piece of wood securely in place while you work on it with other tools, such as a handsaw, chisel, or plane. A good bench vise is the foundation of a stable and safe workshop. Finally, we have the spoke shave. This tool is like a small hand plane with handles. It's designed specifically for shaping and smoothing curved pieces of wood. If you're making chair legs, tool handles, or any other rounded object, a spoke shave gives you the control you need for a beautiful finish. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced craftsman, mastering these will open up a world of possibilities. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more woodworking